What would happen if Earth and Mercury swapped places? Alright, let's move Earth to orbit the Sun at a distance of 58 million kilometers. Whoa, in that case, the intensity of solar radiation would jump to more than 6 times its original level, and the surface temperature would quickly soar above 100 degrees Celsius. Most oceans and lakes would evaporate, leaving behind dry salt crusts, and the continents would become connected as one. Meanwhile, the extreme heat accelerates atmospheric molecular motion. Earth's dense nitrogen-oxygen atmosphere would be completely blown away within a century, escaping into space entirely. In the end, only an extremely thin atmosphere composed of rock volatiles would remain. Deprived of water and atmospheric protection, the surface would be exposed to intense ultraviolet radiation and solar wind. All plants and animals would perish from extreme heat and dehydration within hours to days, leaving Earth a rocky desert similar to Mercury. As for Mercury, moving to Earth's orbit 150 million kilometers from the Sun would significantly improve its environment, but not nearly enough to become a cradle of life. Lacking an atmosphere to regulate temperature, the dayside temperature could drop to a range of 0 to 100 degrees Celsius, while the nightside would plummet below -100 degrees Celsius. Water ice stored in the planet's permanently shadowed polar regions would begin to sublimate. However, Mercury's mass is only 5.5% that of Earth, far too small to generate sufficient gravity to effectively trap these gases and form a stable atmosphere. The sublimated gases would quickly escape into space or recondense in colder regions. Without a thick atmosphere, there would be no greenhouse effect, no stable liquid water, and no radiation protection. In the end, Mercury would resemble an enlarged version of the Moon, lifeless, covered in craters, with an eternally black sky.